and Vlogmas Day 1. What? Oh my gosh, I am on my way to a boot camp. I'm gonna work out, and it is a beautiful rainy day here in California. Let me tell you, I love the rain. This is making me so incredibly happy. I did Vlogmas last year, so if you are new to my channel and haven't watched that, I was watching some of my old episodes last night, and oh my gosh, I gave you a lot of good information. I'm not trying to like toot my own horn over here, but seriously, I was watching it and I was like, I don't even remember telling you that, which is so crazy. I was like, that is good information. So if you haven't watched those, I don't know, I might go back and watch those too this year because they're a lot of good information. So I am drinking, and I always, if you've been following me for a while, you know I drink lemon water and cayenne pepper. So recently I started adding apple cider vinegar to it. Reusable cup, straw, saving the turtles. Which, if you're like, ew, apple cider vinegar, I'm the exact same way. So, like, look at my face. I'm the exact same way, but I just put a little bit, and it's just so good for you that I can't not do it. So I just suffer through it every morning, and that's just what I do. I actually stopped, if you watch my last Vlogmas from last year, I was huge into pre-workouts, and I actually stopped doing that. I just do this every morning, and I used to do lemon water, cayenne pepper, and a pre-workout. Now I just do this, and I have probably not the crazy pre-workout energy that I used to have, but I think it's better to just not be reliant on something to make you have that energy. I don't know if it even makes a difference or not, but I just don't do it anymore, and it saves me money because pre-workouts cost money. So that's just the new thing I'm doing this year. Apparently I change things up yearly, so who knows what I'll be doing next year. I'm gonna be a total cool girl right now. I brought my umbrella with me, but I don't feel like getting it out. So, here we go. Next station. That's a wrap. What a jazzy version of this song. I would also just like to say real quick that I don't listen to Christmas music until after Thanksgiving. There's just like, you can't, you just, no. But the day after Thanksgiving, it's all a go, Christmas, 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 all about it. But until Thanksgiving passes, no Christmas. That's my feeling on the matter. I can run to the bank real quick. Oh, it's so cold and rainy. I love it. I just got home, and I'm only a little concerned about how much dirt Sadie could have possibly trapped in the house with this rain. Hi, baby girl. Hi. How are you? Oh, hi. Hi. What's going on? Hi. Why me? Oh. Okay. So this one right here is a little naughty one. She might be getting sick because she got into some things she shouldn't have. She got into some chocolate. So it was mostly nut-based, not so much chocolate, but there was still chocolate, so let's hope she's okay. Huh? Let's hope she's okay. Bad girl, Sadie. Bad girl, why'd you do that? Okay, so I just looked it up, and to induce her vomiting, which is what you want to do when they eat chocolate, it says to take hydrogen peroxide, 1 teaspoon with water, and it says to use vanilla ice cream, but I don't have vanilla ice cream, so I'm just going to use peanut butter. And we're just going to mix that up, have her eat it, and hopefully it makes her throw up, which would be great. I'm going to, this doesn't mix very well, does it? Ugh. Well, hopefully she eats it. I'm just going with what I have, man. Trying to get her to eat something she would eat, which is peanut butter, because she loves it. Let me see here. Does it look a little better? Oh man, it does not look good. Well, at least it's coming together a little bit. Let's hope she throws up. Look at that. Now that looks much better. Okay, that's a lot more appetizing. It also said to feed them something they like, food-wise. So you're getting something else in their belly to maybe like counteract the chocolates that's in the belly. Maybe this will help that too. I don't know. I'm just trying here. Look how dirty my floor is because wet dog coming in and out of the house through her doggy door. Such a dirty floor. Alrighty, and then it said for me to play with her, get her moving. Go get it! Hopefully get her to throw up. Good girl. Good girl. Drop it. Drop it. Good girl. I'm trying to do my makeup right now, and it started pouring outside, and Sadie ran outside, and of course she got wet, so then she came running in, and she got the crazy. She's running all over the place. She jumps on her bed. I'm like, no! I had foundation like all over my hand, and then I didn't, and so I guess you can guess where it went. Where did my foundation go, Sadie? Where did it go? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Oh yeah, there it is. Enjoying all the noises of the rain. Little cutie. I can't tell what you want to do, Sadie. What do you want to do? Do you want to play? It's all rainy and wet outside, girl. Look, you're messing up my couch. Crazy. Look how dirty your bed is. I just washed it yesterday. Yesterday I just washed this. Ugh. There's my little pain in the butt right here. For anything we might do tonight. I might do something fun tonight. We'll see. I won't let you know what it is until I do it though. But I have all these Thanksgiving decorations I need to put away so I can get up the Christmas stuff. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna watch Chef's Table. I'm on the very last episode. I don't know if you started it yet, but it's actually really fun. I love watching cooking shows in general, so it's a little bit cheesy here and there, I think personally, but it's just been fun.
It's just apple juice and fennel juice with a little bit of flour, and you make the crepe into a pan, and you throw out that crepe, and underneath is this incredible thin glaze.
Let's do this. Okay, so all the Thanksgiving stuff is away. That didn't take me too long to get it back in its boxes. I have 2 new things though, so they don't fit in the boxes that I had all my Thanksgiving stuff in. So I have to find a new box for those, but I think I can find one in the storage shed. So I'm just gonna go do that, and then I'm gonna start bringing in Christmas stuff. Christmas stuff or what? And that's not even the tree. The tree is gonna go right here, but I need Matt's help for that because it's been raining and it's all wet outside. It's really, really heavy and really, really big. So I'm gonna wait for Matt, but I guess I could start going through his boxes and decorating. So I'm sitting here amongst my boxes of stuff, little Santa, and I have some decorations up. I'm kind of excited about it, but I still have like a lot more to go. But like I said, we were gonna try to do something fun today. And we tried so hard. So we were gonna go to Knott's Berry Farm when Matt got home from work, and we did. He came home, he had to do a few things for his work, and then he's like, let's go. So we went and we started driving there, and then we get there and there's like seriously very, very empty, and it says park closed, but it says stores open. So I'm like, maybe just like the Mary part is open with the Santa and the play and all that stuff. But no, we asked the little guy directing traffic. He was just like standing there like all by himself. And we're like, oh, is like the Christmas part open even? He's like, nope. So the rain pretty much washed everything out. Knott's Berry Farm is like one of my like big time family traditions. Like that's what I can remember doing every year at Christmas time, is going there. We'd have their like little barbecue that's out there by like kind of where the cemetery part is at Knott's Berry Farm. You know, where you can stand on the grave and it will like, you could feel the heartbeat and stuff. So there's like a barbecue place like right across the way. And they used to have like the best Texas toast. So now we go, but we don't get like a full on meal. We just like all go and get a piece of Texas toast because it's that good. And then right across from there is the Playhouse, and they have two plays, A Gift of the Magi and A Christmas Carol. We always go and watch A Christmas Carol. It's so good. And it's funny because the person who played Bob Cratchit when I was younger now plays Scrooge, because that's how much time has passed. But I think it's really cool that he's still doing it. So we have fun just like going back and seeing it and seeing like the different people and the same people. It's kind of fun. Good little tradition we have. But alas, we were not able to go. And the reason, Sadie's being a crazy person, she just got a bath. So she's running around. And the reason we were trying to go is because it's free this week during the weekdays, and then next week it's free too, and then after that you have to pay like a full park admission, and like we don't want to go to Knott's Berry Farm, we just want to go to like the Christmas part and just those little tiny things. It's like takes us maybe an hour, so we don't want to spend like that much money, just go do those little things. So anyways, I'm not sure if we have time to go next week. I'd love to try, so we'll see what next week brings. But we tried to have fun, we just couldn't because of the rain. Dear. All right, I'm gonna put on a sappy Netflix Christmas movie and continue to decorate, and I'll see you tomorrow. Dude, I was just in the Honey Baked Ham store picking up a ham. I don't know if I've ever been in one before. They are so nice. Like, did you see that building? It's crazy. I don't know why I'm so I was just following my directions, like telling me how to get here, and I pull in and I'm like, what is this nice building? And then I look up and it says Honey Baked, and I'm like, what the, like, I mean, look at that building. That's absolutely insane to me. It's so nice. I mean, honestly, it kind of looks like a church a little bit. Like, it could be a nice little church in there. And it was so organized and everything was on. I just can't. I can't. I don't even know why I'm so... Sadie, is that yours? That doesn't look like yours. Come here. Sadie, drop it. Sadie.